Hyderabad market, I should say that it's always been a vibrant market. Hyderabad has been a very affordable market compared to other mega cities like Bombay or Delhi or Chennai or Bangalore. Thanks to the government, there's a lot of development in the IT sector and also in the other industrial sectors which are coming up around the city, for which a lot of investments are coming, and accordingly, a lot of people are coming from outside and settling down here. Thus, a lot of real estate developers are getting encouraged to develop new projects and also new farmhouse, agricultural lands around the city vicinities. So, compared to any other state, our city has got very affordable prices. So people are getting attracted and they are investing. Moving forward, I think because of the investments in IT sector and the pharma sector and other areas, so there will be a huge demand for housing as well as commercial space. People have been predicting that commercial space will be very nascent after COVID, but it has shown different results. Commercial spaces have shown a lot of demand in Hyderabad. If you have seen recently, also some insurance companies have started opening up in Hyderabad, multinational companies. So what I feel is one small improvement the government should do is the infrastructure. As the city is growing, as the demand is growing for housing and the commercial areas, office spaces and all, the infrastructure parallelly should be developing. So that's one thing I think we should all highlight to the government also, where if you develop more better infrastructure, you can have more uh, development across the city. And government is also planning on the other parts of the city, instead of just Western Hyderabad. They have got this look east policy where they're planning to develop a lot of industries in the eastern part of Hyderabad. So there also, I think real estate. Having said that, the social infrastructure also is very necessary for the real estate market. So, real estate developers, while they are doing the developments across the city, they should also concentrate on social infrastructure. So, like schools and hospitals. So, they should encourage people to develop these when they are doing the housings or the commercial spaces. So, this is the small inputs we should look into while uh, looking at a larger perspective of the market, and even industrial development, not just pharma. MSME sector. MSME sector has to be improved a lot, and government is doing quite a lot of work on the MSME sector, where small and medium scale industries are uh, getting encouraged to develop their small industries. Recently, one 400 acres of MSME park has been opened up at Hyderabad to Vijayawada highway near, and it's very encouraging to see about 400 industries are coming up there. So this is also a very good encouragement for the people. Along with that, so many people will get employment, and again, housing will start nearby. Real estate development can happen. So that is what I could say at the moment. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Bharat sir. It was quite insightful. In fact, as you rightly said, Hyderabad is also now today regarded as one of the global cities or smart cities, not just because of our diversity, but also I think the kind of infrastructure what we are having and ever growing. In fact, I've been a witness for last 15 years and 20 years. The transformation what the city has seen is phenomenal.